10 Most Popular Kitchen Curtain Trends for 2026. Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where we bring you the latest home decor trends. If you're thinking about refreshing your kitchen space, you're in the right place. Today, we're showing the 10 most popular kitchen curtain trends for 2026. From modern curtains to farmhouse kitchen curtains ideas, we've got inspiration for every style. 1. Minimalist sheer curtains. First up, we have minimalist sheer curtains. These light and airy drapes are perfect for bringing in natural light while still providing a bit of privacy. Sheer fabrics work well with both contemporary and classic kitchens, making them a go-to choice in kitchen curtain design for 2026. 2. Bold patterns and prints. Next, bold patterns and prints are making a major comeback in kitchen curtains ideas. Think geometric shapes, florals, and even retro-inspired designs that add personality to your kitchen. If you love a pop of color, this trend is perfect for you. 3. Farmhouse-style kitchen drapes. If you love a cozy rustic vibe, then you'll adore farmhouse kitchen curtains ideas. Buffalo check, lace trims, and soft neutral tones are a timeless choice. These kitchen window treatments bring warmth and charm to any home. 4. Smart curtains. In 2026, technology meets decor with smart curtains. These motorized curtains can be controlled via a remote or even your phone. Whether you need to adjust the lighting or increase privacy, modern curtains like these make life easier. 5. Layered curtains for depth. Why settle for one layer when you can have two? Layered curtains are trending in kitchen drapes ideas this year. Combining sheer and blackout panels allows you to control the lighting and create a stylish, dimensional look. 6. Earthy and neutral tones. For those who prefer a calming aesthetic, earthy and neutral tones are in. Shades like beige, olive, and terracotta blend beautifully with natural wood and stone, making them a staple in kitchen renovation projects. 7. Contemporary geometric designs. If you love modern decor, contemporary curtains featuring geometric prints and abstract shapes are a must-try. These designs are a great way to add a sleek, trendy touch to your kitchen. 8. Seasonal decor curtains. Why stick to one look all year round? Seasonal decor curtains are perfect for switching things up. Think light, breezy fabrics for summer and warm, textured ones for winter. 9. Eco-friendly fabrics. Going green? Eco-friendly fabrics like organic cotton, bamboo, and recycled materials are a big hit in kitchen design this year. They're stylish, sustainable, and great for the planet. 10. Luxe velvet and heavy drapes. Lastly, for those who love luxury, velvet and heavy drapes are a sophisticated choice. These stylish curtains add a touch of elegance and create a cozy atmosphere, perfect for formal or high-end kitchens. And that's a wrap on the top 10 kitchen curtain trends of 2026. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more home decor and interior design tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.